Welcome aboard the evolution to digital asset and maintenance management. Welcome to RTS Digital.
Downers Australia's leading provider of asset management services for passenger rolling stock. With 150 years of history, we've been supplying and maintaining rolling stock right across Australia, and we're constantly challenging ourselves to remain at the forefront of asset management practices. One of the key things that we do, we're using technology to drive continuous improvement in our operations. The importance of available, reliable, safe passenger services is critical to keeping our cities moving.
RTS Digital is Downer's rail and transit systems, digital consulting software and services business, leveraging our 15 years of investment and experience in digital asset management and maintenance. Our digital capabilities and asset management experience allows us to deliver step change improvements to our customers' asset and maintenance management practices, leading to improved reliability, availability and efficiency of rail assets. Powered by the TrainDNA platform, we have taken a product-based approach where we have packaged our capabilities into modules addressing specific customer needs. These product modules are digital maintenance management, operational intelligence, asset intelligence, robotics, and sustainability. This approach allows RTS Digital to focus on specific customer needs and deliver benefits in periods measured in months rather than years. Step by step, we can help you digitise your asset and maintenance practices.
Here at Downer and within RTS Digital, we endeavour to shape a sustainable society that uses natural, social and economic resources in a more sustainable manner. Collaboration with our customers, peers and partners is essential to this. Train networks are some of the largest users of electricity in their respective localities. Together with market-leading software and supported by deep industry knowledge, RTS Digital's sustainability module provides easy, automated control and visibility of critical reporting. In conjunction with emission sustainability consulting and industry benchmarking, we help manage and minimise the increasing pressure that comes with regulatory compliance and fines. Using data to better understand which parts of the rail system are requiring the most energy at different points of the day, we can support customers to optimise power consumption. Our trains are able to track the consumption of energy down to the individual subsystems every minute at any location on the network. RTS Digital's sustainability tools provides insights to help users identify, mitigate and resolve energy usage and waste, offering customers the ability to take the steps necessary to remove the barriers to accelerating sustainability performance and increase decarbonisation effectiveness.
Across different geographies and markets, the need to improve asset management practices is increasing at pace. Downer's long-standing rail expertise, capability and strategic partnerships means that RTS's digital offerings, powered by TrainDNA, allows us to help customers improve their asset management practices, leading to improved reliability, availability, efficiency and safety outcomes.
Wherever you would like to start, RTS Digital has a product to assist that will deliver results. We look forward to working with you and enabling your digital journey.